Hello friends, welcome back. In this tutorial, we will study about asymmetric key cryptography. In asymmetric key cryptography, two separate keys are used. One is private key and another one is public key. So in this case, what happens in asymmetric key cryptography, the receiver needs to create two keys, one private key and one public key. And then receiver is responsible for distributing the public key to the community. So whenever the sender has to send a message to a receiver, then what the sender does, sender encrypt the message by using the public key of the receiver. And when this message is received by the receiver will decrypt this message by using its private key. So in a asymmetric key cryptography, the burden of providing security is mostly on the shoulders of the receiver. So in this asymmetric key cryptography, each entity in the community should create its own private and public keys. So suppose there is a receiver and it receives n messages from different senders. Then to decrypt all these n messages which he has received from different entities, he will use only his private key to decrypt these messages. But if a sender has to send messages to n different receivers, then what the sender has to do, the sender has to use n public keys, right? So if the sender has to send a message to receiver 1, then the sender will encrypt that message by using the public key of receiver 1. The message which is sent to the receiver 2, that message should be encrypted by using the public key of receiver 2. So sender needs n public keys to communicate with n entities in the community.